Hello everyone, how to Towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share any story to your friend from any social media. Like if you want to share the link or send any link on your Facebook story, then it's possible. So you can see this is the story. I'm just going to click here and just keep it stop watch. But if you want to share this story to your friend, then you can see three dot. Simply click here and copy link to share this story. Simply copy here. You can see it's copied. But now, if you want to share this story to anyone, then you can see you can send. You can send to your friend. Okay, I'm just going to choose my friend. Okay, right now I'm just going to find my friend here. So randomly you can send. Okay, I'm just going to choose and message, and then you can say paste it, and okay, and then send your photos. So okay friend, today is normal, and thank you for watching.